Hello everyone! Today, we will discuss the Earth's movement and seasons. Let us start by describing our planet. Our home planet Earth is the third planet from the Sun, and the only planet known to have life. Did you know that Earth is not perfectly round? It is an oblate spheroid. It is constantly spinning like a top around its axis. This spinning is what we call rotation. While the Earth spins on its axis, it also revolves around the Sun. It takes 1 year or 365.25 days to complete a full revolution in the counterclockwise direction. Earth's axis is slightly tilted at 23.5 degrees. As the Earth rotates, the side of the Earth facing the Sun experiences daylight, and the opposite side experiences darkness or nighttime. The slanting position of the Earth, along with its constant movement around the Sun, causes seasons. Seasons are short periods of climate change caused by changes in the amount of solar radiation an area receives. It occurs because the Earth is tilted on its axis. There are times each year that the northern hemisphere tilts toward the Sun. This part of the Earth receives more direct energy from sunlight and experiences longer daytime than nighttime. This is what we call summer. 6 months later, when the Earth has moved to the opposite side of its orbit, the northern hemisphere tilts away from the Sun. This is what we call winter. This part of the Earth receives less direct energy from sunlight and experiences longer nighttime than daytime. That's all for now. I hope you learned something today. Please try the interactive game related to this topic. Click the link in the description. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to help us create more educational videos. Thank you so much!